Solving quadratic equation by factoring in the form ax squared plus bx is equal to 0. So our example is 4x squared minus 2x is equal to 0. First, let's get the factors of 4, 2 times 2, and x squared which is x times x, 2, 1 times 2, and x which is x. So, piliin lang po natin ng parehas, both. So, parehas na may 2, may parehas na x. Ilalagay po natin, isusulat po natin yan as their common factor which is 2x. Ngayon, lagyan na po natin, ilagay na po natin yung mga natira which is 2x. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung operation minus. Tapos, may natira dito sa kabila na 1 which is equal to 0. Then, equate na po natin ang ating mga factors by 0. So, 2x is equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, we have 2x. Dito, automatic actually na yan na ang value ng x sub 1 natin ay 0. Nakikita nyo naman sa solution. Ngayon, we have 2x. Mag-add tayo both ng positive 1, kaya meron tayong 1 sa right-hand side ng equal sign. So, divide natin both side ang ating equation by 2, kaya meron tayong x is equal to 1/2 or x sub 2 is 1/2. Ganun lang po.